from God is YBM. Had to say that for myself. If I don't, then there's no one else. Oh, Kilam, or you casting spells. I wake you up, I ring the bell. I refuse to live in hell. Oh yeah. Girl, you know you love it when I sing. When we working as a team. And the pussy give me chills, but your smile is everything in this whole world. You body hotter than the fucking dust. Yeah, yeah. Think I mean, just my time. This is over. I just came from Mars in a rover. $100 bills on my coast, I'm boasting. Look over your shoulder, an ocean. King Kilam, the antidote, or better yet, a potion. Forever keep them hoping. Haters try to stop me, I'ma keep this shit in motion. I hear them niggas talking all they talk. What's up, YBM Gang? Back with another video, man. Now today, I'm going to make a video. Y'all be wondering what's in my cup. I'm gonna show y'all what I drink. Okay, now listen up. If you know me, I don't drink the sodas. I don't drink the Powerades, the Gatorades. I don't drink any of that stuff. So when I'm making myself a drink, this is what I'm doing. Y'all look at this. Okay, now peep game right now. Right now what you see, you got the cucumbers, you got the oranges, and we got the strawberries. But guess what they all have in common? I'm gonna let y'all guess. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. Boom. If you guessed it correctly, I need you to put it in the comment section. These are all organic fruits and vegetables. Now, peep this. So we're gonna turn this into a drink. And you're probably wondering, where's the water at? I'm gonna tell y'all something right now. Hold on. This is not a game, y'all. This is not a game. This is what I want y'all to do with your waters that you're gonna mix with your fruits. This is serious right now. So we got the water out here. Guess what? We got the water out here in the sun. Now you're probably wondering, why is the water out in the sun? Now peep game. Alkaline water, by the way. Fully alkaline, natural spring water. The sun, you see, when you talk to water, right? I know y'all seen the videos online where you talk to water and the actual molecular structure of the water will change. So if you talk bad to your water, it's gonna change. If you talk good to your water, you already know it's gonna happen. Now, what I want y'all to do, I need y'all to talk to your waters. Tell your water how much you appreciate it. Tell your water how loving it is. All that good stuff. And then put it out in the sun. Leave it out there. All right, boom. Now we going back. Voila. It should look something like this. All right, now, peep this. I'm about to switch the camera right now. You're gonna need a few things, y'all. You're gonna need one of these. We're going old school with it. Now, you could use a juicer. You could use a juicer. Trust me, but I'm old school with it. You feel what I'm saying? The grandparents' way. We gotta do it. We gotta make this with love. And just go get yourself a blender and we live. Now we're gonna put the stuff inside the blender like these. Boom, 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 boom. Remember how I say talk to your water? Talk to your fruits too, because they are alive. Trust me. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all want one? All right, here you go. Tastes good, huh? Peep this, peep, peep, peep. Boom. This is just the beginner set. This is the beginner set right now. So y'all, I'm about to go get the water right now that I left outside. That's been soaking in the sun. Let's get it. Dun, dun, dun. Now guys, there's one last ingredient that's literally gonna make or break this drink right now. I'm gonna go get it right now. Pay attention. Up close so y'all can see. Monk fruit sweetener. Not white sugar, not brown sugar. Monk fruit sweetener. I'm gonna let y'all Google that. Do y'all research. I'm just gonna pour that up. See, when you connect it to the ancestors, you don't need measurements. You just already know how much to use. So we just blend it up. We put it in the strainer, all that good stuff. We're gonna put it back in this bottle right here. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product.
Nothing beats that, oh no. Gotta get that bread and toast. Picking up the pace where I'm at. Gotta watch your step just like a welcome mat. Listen to myself, all I hear is Kilam. Get money, Uncle Sam. Fuck them niggas that be hating, bitch. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I run the red light and the...
I can't find the cover for this, but it's gonna look something like this. Nope, not yet. What you gonna do, you gonna let it sit in the fridge for like, say 2 hours. Let it sit in the fridge for 2 hours. Let the nutrients do its thing. Let the, the water was in the sun. So let it do its thing for a while. Let it chill, let it cool. And then go ahead and consume it. Thank me later. But this video ain't done yet. Time to get real. All right, y'all, we out here. Had to go get some sun. So that was the orange, cucumber, and strawberry water. You feel me? That is necessary. Your health is necessary to keep yourself going, man. Your body is your temple. And I'm now vegetarian. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm vegetarian. I'm gonna make another video on my transition to being vegetarian. Was not easy at all. All it takes is a little discipline. But stay true to yourself. That's my message for today. This is gonna be a really short spiritual talk. One thing I learned on my journey is be true to yourself. You feel me? Always be you no matter what. You're gonna see the right people are gonna gravitate towards you. The people who are not for you are just the universe is gonna take them out of your life. Let it happen. You feel me? Be you, continue to prosper, keep striving. YBM Gang, like, comment, follow, and subscribe to the YBM family. We out here. Till next time.
You got this from, told my mama that I did it, I didn't win it, found myself. She like, what the hell you wearing? I said, mom, it's YBM.